Welcome to our free YouTube Creator Training Library brought to you by the Senior Tuber community. Publishing to subscription feed and notifying subscribers. If most of you know that when you're subscribing to a video, you have a choice of hitting the bell. Hitting the bell now has this option too, where it'll let everybody know, where the other way, without doing this, it may or may not notify anybody who subscribed. So this will ensure that they do get notified. But here it works in the other way. What if you put up a video and you don't want people to know right now? For me, sometimes I put up more than a couple of videos a day. I don't want everybody to get notified that many times a day. So I could put it down that they're not being notified of that particular video. So that's why it would work in reverse. Then you have shorts remixing. There are people out there who like to remix other people's and make cat compilations or things like that. You get to allow or not allow that people can remix your stuff. For me, I want my stuff to be out there. If you have stuff that's private, then that would be a different selection for you. And then comments, you get to choose your comments, whether you want them on, and this is also in your upload default. And you want to check them first, you want to approve of them, you can do that, or you can let people just comment and I could take it off later. But I really don't want to restrict it, and I don't want to be in charge of that. But I can go back when I do get notified when there are comments, so I can check it and then decide if I want to keep it or respond to it. I don't want to miss anything, so I keep it on. But you can actually set it to where you want it. And you can pause comments, which sometimes you do when you think it's going to be too much controversy or it's just you're not going to be there to respond to the comments. You can turn it off or pause it for now. And then you get to choose your comments. I like to have the newest first, but I do have some pinned so that they stay at the top at all times. And you can pin your comments, especially your own, which is something we're going to discuss when we get to that portion of the video optimization. Thank you for watching our free YouTube Creator Training Library brought to you by the Senior Tuber community.